United States Department of Agriculture logo. Roasted spaghetti squash with tomato sauce. Recipe for children ages 6 through 18. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 15 minutes to prep, and 1 hour to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. The recipe ingredients are shown on a cutting board. Turn on the oven and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash spaghetti squash and dry with a paper towel. Squash should be at least 1 pound and 2.5 ounces. Place the spaghetti squash in a microwave-safe dish and microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Place the spaghetti squash on a cutting board and cut in half lengthwise. Use a spoon to scrape out the seeds. Spray a baking sheet with cooking spray. Place the spaghetti squash hollowed side down on the prepared baking sheet. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Prepare the tomato sauce while the squash bakes. In a saucepan, add 1.5 cups of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Use a fork to scoop out the spaghetti squash into a medium-sized bowl. Add the tomato sauce to the bowl. Toss. Prepare a 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of part skim shredded mozzarella cheese. Use 1 tablespoon per serving. Prepare 2 tablespoons of basil. Use 1 teaspoon per serving. Serve a half cup of squash with 1 tablespoon of cheese. The CACFP crediting for roasted spaghetti squash with tomato sauce for children ages 6 through 18 is as follows. The serving size is a half cup with 1 tablespoon of cheese. It is 5/8 of a cup vegetable and a 1/4 ounce equivalent meat alternate. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.